Hey guys, thank you for joining another episode of MUKBANG with your host, Dongdigity. So today I'm gonna have some cheeseburger, hot dog. Cheeseburger and hot dog. Chili cheese dog, Chicago style hot dog, and a char grilled cheeseburger. I picked it up from Portillo's. Ketchup. Hope everyone's having a great day. Scorching hot. So it's about tomorrow is 4th of July, but since I can't film tomorrow, I'm gonna be meeting up with my family and do some grill. So I'm filming today. Let me try the Chicago style. This is Chicago style. Flowers just don't have any ketchup in it. It has green radish, onion, tomato, mustard. So 4th of July is America's Independence Day. So you could say, Happy birthday, America. There's some people that might be more like, it isn't actual day, but 4th of July is when, it's a day when they announced they will follow or they will adopt the Declaration of Independence. And I know some people might be like, they didn't actually sign it or anything like that, but it's the day we celebrate, so it's Independence Day. Yay! Now some people might be happy because they're off, and some people are not because they're not off. But yeah, usually we all grill, right? We grill on 4th of July. Get some bomb food, meet family, watch games. So this year I'm going to be going to my brother's place with Kimmer, and we're gonna eat some bomb food. We used to always go somewhere, like camping trip or something, but this year we decided to just hang out at my brother's place, take it easy, you know? Because we just had our engagement party, so it was a bit hectic. But went perfectly. It was so fun. And everyone we intended to invite, they all came, so thank you so much, guys. Since chili cheese dog is very messy, I'll eat it later. And usually around every town or city, they do their own fireworks. Well, like America alone spends like millions of dollars on fireworks, which is crazy. So, a few times I went up to one of the like hills that we have in our neighborhood. If you go, you could see every firework. Like they all usually do it on a similar time, so you see going crazy there. But since Ame gets scared, yeah. Since we got Ame, I don't think we've been actually going to actual firework. So, what's in the burger? Lettuce, onion, tomato, pickle. one time we went to Wisconsin. And rented a boat. And our family used to have a boat, but it was actually a yacht, but that was when I was young. I didn't even have a driver's license at that time. So, since I had the most familiar thing, so on the spot, I decided to go take a boat test, like a license. So obviously you need a license, and so on the spot I studied quickly, and I took a test, and I passed, and I took the boat. However, everybody had a motion sickness because obviously we're not used to water and just floating, not ocean, but like it was a lake. So please leave a comment. What are you guys eating tomorrow or on 4th of July? Have you guys had one of those chili hot dogs at 7-Eleven? So good. I can't really tell if that's actual chili or not, because it's all like mushy and stuff. It was so good. Well, yeah. Hope everybody enjoyed their day off, and if you don't have day off, work hard. Wish you guys luck.